All right, crank that baby up. Thing's been sitting for a year and a half. Fired right up. The battery cable is finger tightened. All right, hit it at 30, 40 miles an hour. Should be good. No, don't worry about it. It'll stop at the end. The trailer's got a built-in stop. Oh, don't worry about it at all. The Ford will stop it. Nope, I gotta set them wider. Amazing. GM trucks just run and run and run. All right, try that. Crank that baby up. Whee! Don't tow with a half ton. Easy, beautiful. All right, right there. Now you're really lifted. GMC. It was a one-owner truck until it got stolen. It's been sitting here, sitting in the back behind the garage, and fired right up.
Sounds good, man.
I know.
Chevy Thunder.
Z71 off-road. Drag her up.